Hello YouTube. I've been having a rattle sound whenever I press the gas. As you can tell, it's in park. It does not do it. So being alone is not easy. So here we go, trying to diagnose. It's on the passenger side. Sorry about that, a bus. Okay, let's do it. Okay, it seems to be coming around here. It seems to be coming around this area. Now when I drive, it gets a lot worse than that. see how it sounds on the inside. Get rid of the tripod. Just to show you, in park, get into focus. So in park, it doesn't do it. In neutral, kinda. That's when I'm in dry the most. Now there's a lot of police around because there's an operation going on against the gangs, so I can't exactly drive around to show it. I don't want to get a ticket. And I tried using this and it just kept falling off, so no point wasting film. It's around, I'm not sure if it's a body panel or what. I'll review the video. None of my friends have time to come help me. But of course, when they want help, they insist I go to them. So thank you, friends. You wonder why I don't call you anymore. Yeah. So hopefully when I see this video, I can pinpoint where the sound is. It's been bugging me for the last while. This happened during the last heat wave. It was like 40 degrees. And I melted gaskets for the engine and transmission pans, oil pans, so I'll be doing a change for that. And the noise started a bit after the huge leaks. As for the brake lights, I forgot to mention, you should sorry about the mess. You should always check the connection with the pedal itself. There's a little cable that attaches to it. Always check that first. So, annoying rattle. If any of you guys know what it is or had experience, let me know. So you can drive. You can hear it. But let's say I'm in park. Let go of the pedal. No touchy, just a gas. The sound doesn't happen. So, thank you, YouTube. Wish me luck.